Look at my lashes. They are barely visible and absolutely flat. If you have lashes like mine that are mostly straight and flat and mascara doesn't help, then let me show you how to take your eyelash game from this to this. So if you want to know how I make my lashes go from absolutely flat and sparse to more curved, long and fuller looking, then please keep on watching. I'll start by first cleaning my lashes with a spoolie to clean any dust or dirt particles that are left on my lashes. Next, I'll clean my eyelash curler with some micellar water for hygiene purposes. Using the candle at a distance, I'll warm up the eyelash curler. You can also use a lighter or a hair dryer to warm up your curler. I didn't have any, so I used a candle. I'll check the curler's temperature before using it on my eye so that it's not too hot or too cold. I'll first place the eyelash curler closest to the root of my eyelash to lift the roots and curl them. Next, I'll be placing it a little bit above, and then in the end, I'll place the color at the ends and curl the lashes. And when I remove the eyelash curler, you can see how lifted and curled up my lashes look. To hold that curl and lift, I'll be applying some mascara by first placing it at the root, waiting for a while before I wiggle it all the way upwards. This will make sure that my eyelash remains lifted and doesn't fall throughout the day. After a couple of coats, I'll wait for the mascara to dry a little and then again coat my lashes for some extra length. In the end, I'll be separating my lashes using a spoolie to give them a more feathered out look. Next, I'll be tight lining using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. And if you want to watch more eyelash hacks like these, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to create some for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.